नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, सर्कल या प्रकरणाच्या या आधीच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण थेरम ऑफ अँगल बिटवीन टँजंट अँड सेकंड्स या प्रमेयाचा अभ्यास केलेला आहे आणि त्यानंतर आपण आता पुढचा भाग पाहतोय, थेरम ऑफ इंटरनल डिव्हिजन ऑफ कॉर्ड्स. थेरम ऑफ इंटरनल डिव्हिजन ऑफ कॉर्ड्स म्हणजे वर्तुळाच्या दोन जीवा वर्तुळाच्या अंतर्भागात छेदत असतील तर त्याचा प्रमेय काय आहे, तर या प्रमेयाचा आपण अभ्यास करणार आहोत. सो व्हॉट इज द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ दिस थेरम? लुक हियर. Two chords of a circle intersect each other in the interior of the circle. Two chords of a circle intersect each other in the interior part of the circle. म्हणजे वर्तुळाच्या अंतर्भागात वर्तुळाच्या दोन जीवा जर एकमेकांना छेदत असतील, then the product of the length of two segments of one chord, then the product of the lengths of two segments of one chords म्हणजे एका जीवेवरील जीवाचे जे दोन तुकडे त्यांचा गुणाकार is equal to the product of the length of the two segments of other chord. हा जो गुणाकार आहे तो गुणाकार किती असतो? दुसऱ्या जीवेवरील जे दोन तुकडे तयार होतात त्या दोन तुकड्यांच्या गुणाकारा इतका असतो. हे आपल्याला इथे सिद्ध करायचं आहे. बघा, पुन्हा एकदा बघा. एक वर्तुळ, यांच्यामध्ये दोन जीवा, दोन कॉर्ड्स एकमेकांना छेदणारे काढलेले. एका जीवेवरील जे दोन तुकडे आहेत त्यांचा गुणाकार हा दुसऱ्या जीवेवरील दोन तुकड्यांच्या गुणाकारा इतका असतो. हे आपल्याला सिद्ध करायचं आहे. सो फॉर दॅट वी ड्रॉ युअर फिगर्स. वी ड्रॉ युअर सर्कल विथ सेंटर P and segment AB and segment CD. These are the chords of the circles intersect at point E. So that is the given part. We write here, sir. Chord AB and chord DC of a circle with center P intersect at point E. म्हणजे जीवा AB आणि जीवा CD या दोन जीवा एकमेकांना E या बिंदूमध्ये छेदतात. Then what is the proof? What is proof here, sir? The product of the length of two segments on one chord, that is the chord AB, and product of two segments, that is the AP and EB. These are two segments, and product of this, that means AE into EB. AE into EB is equal to the product of the length of the two segments of other chords. So there is second chord is a CD, and there are two segments, that is the CE and ED. So product of this CE into ED. So what is your sum? AE into EB is equal to CE into ED. So that is part we prove here. म्हणजे आपल्याला काय सिद्ध करायचं आहे? AE into EB हा प्रोडक्ट आणि CE into DE हा प्रोडक्ट, दोन्ही प्रोडक्ट सेम आहेत हे आपल्याला सिद्ध करायचं आहे. So for that we draw your constructions. Draw segment AC and BD. So I draw your construction. Draw segment AC and this one segment BD. So we construct here, draw segment AC and BD. So look here, say AC and BD we draw here. Now we think about proof. For write the proofs, observe the figures. In this figure there are two triangles. One triangle is AEC and second triangle is DEB. So write here, sir, in triangles CAE and in triangles BDE. What we write here, sir? So look here, sir. We think about these two triangles are similar or not. आपल्याला जो विचार करायचा आहे की हे दोन ट्रायंगल्स सिमिलर आहेत की नाही. If they are similar, then we can prove ours to prove part. So observe these two triangles. In triangles AEC and triangles DEB, there is these angles. Look here, angles AEC and angles DEB. These angles. These two angles are opposite angles, so they are congruent. So we write here some angle AEC congruent angle DEB, that is the opposite angles. Then second pair of angles, look here, so these angles CAB, these angles, and angle CDB, these angles. These two angles are inscribed in same arc. These two angles are inscribed in same arc, so they are congruent. म्हणजे ह्या दोन अँगलचा विचार केला तर हे दोन्ही अँगल एकाच कंसातील अंतर्लिखित कोण आहेत, त्यामुळे ते कसे आहेत, कॉन्ग्रंट आहेत. देअरफॉर यू राईट हियर सर अँगल CAB. फॉर दॅट वी राईट हियर अँगल CAE. So राईट हियर सर अँगल CAE. Congruent angles CDB, but we write only BDE. So right here some BDE. So these angles inscribed in the same arc. Now in these two triangles, there are two pairs of angles are congruent. Therefore, these two triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle CAE similar triangles BDE by AA similarity test. म्हणजे या दोन त्रिकोणामध्ये कोणाच्या दोन जोड्या एकरूप आहेत, त्यामुळे हे दोन्ही त्रिकोण काय आहेत, एक कसोटीनुसार सिमिलर आहेत. And if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding side proportion are equal. So we write here the side proportion AE upon D. Look here, AE upon D. So write here AE upon D and CE upon PE. So write here CE upon B. So that is the side proportion is same. So we write here AE upon DE is equal to CE upon BE. So you write here reason corresponding sides of similar triangles. Corresponding sides of similar triangles. Then take cross multiplication. AE into B. So write here AE into B is equal to CE into D. You write here CE into D. So as like we prove here to prove part. Look here AE into EB is equal to CE into ED. So that is theorem we prove here We share the next theorem, but before this you write all this. We share the next theorem depending upon earlier theorems. या आधीचा जो theorem पाहिला होता तसाच theorem आपण इथं पाहतोय. Theorem of external division of chords. Theorem of external division of chords म्हणजे दोन जीवा वर्तुळाच्या बाह्य भागात जर छेदत असतील तर तो थेरम कसा आहे ते आपल्याला पाहायचं आहे. If secant containing chords AB and CD. If secant containing chord AB and CD of a circle intersect outside the circle in point E, then AE into EB is equal to CE into ED. If secant containing chords, जर छेदिकात ज्याच्यावरती दोन जीवा आहेत, कोणत्या AB आणि जीवा AB आणि CD. AB आणि CD हे दोन कॉर्ड असणाऱ्या ज्या सेकंड्स आहेत, इफ दे आर इंटरसेक्ट आउटसाइड द सर्कल्स, वर्तुळाच्या बाह्य भागात जर एकमेकांना इंटरसेक्ट करत असतील, देन AE इंटू EB इज इक्वल टू CE इंटू ED. हे आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे. सो फॉर दॅट वी ड्रॉ हियर सर्कल containing seconds AB and CD, that containing here so chord AB and chord CD, but these are intersect outside of the circles at point E. So our given part as likes chord AB and chord CD of a circle intersect at point E. So look here so point E. Then what do you prove here sir? आपल्याला काय सिद्ध करायचं आहे? AE into EB. So look here, AE into EB is equal to CE into DE. CE into DE. So that is our two proof parts. Now for that we make here constructions, draw segment AD and segment BC. तर त्यासाठी आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, सेगमेंट एडी काढायचा आहे आणि सेगमेंट बीसी काढायचं आहे. सो वी ड्रॉ हियर सेगमेंट एडी. Then second segment BC. Now by using these figures, we write here the proof. There is given already proof. You only fill the boxes. So look here some. In a triangles ADE and in triangles CBE. Triangles ADE. These one triangles. And triangles CDE. In these triangles, there is angle AED congruent angle, common angles. So which are the common angles for here? So look here, sir. So for this angle AED, these angles, which is a common angle in second triangles? Look here, sir. BEC. These angles in a triangles ADE. Angle is AED. Angle is AED. And in triangles CBE, angle is BEC. So these one common angles you write here, sir. Angles BEC. Write here, sir. Angle BEC, which is a common angles. Now second, angle DAE. Look here, sir. Angle DAE. These angles. And angles BCE, these angles. These two angles are congruent, but these two angles are inscribed in same arc. These two angles are inscribed in same arc, therefore it is a congruent. म्हणजे हे दोन्ही जे कोण आहेत ते एकाच कंसात अंतर्लिखित झाले, त्यामुळे ते कॉन्ग्रंट आहेत. सो यू राइट रीजन्स. Angles inscribed in same arc. So this is the reason. Then there are two pair of angles are congruent. So therefore triangles ADE, similar triangles, which is your triangles CBE. So these two triangles are similar. Triangle ADE, similar triangles CBE. What is the reason here, sir? There are two pair of angles congruent. So we write here, sir, by AA test. AA test. So as like we prove here, sir, these two triangles are similar. Now by using this, we know here, sir, if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. So we write here, sir, for AE upon, which is here, sir, for AE upon here, sir, CE. So write here, sir, CE. And second pair we want here, which is here, sir, DE upon BE. So write here, sir, DE upon BE. Now take cross multiplications. AE into BE. We want here AE into BE. So write here, sir, AE into BE. And second cross multiplication here, sir, CE into DE. So that means ED. So CE into ED. So as like we prove here, sir, second theorem of external division of chords. Now here's the next part, but before this you write all this. We share the next theorem, tangent second segment theorem, which is your sir, tangent second segment theorem. Sparshika Chedika Khand Prame. What is this theorem? Point E is in the exterior of a circle. Point E, look here, sir, point E is in the exterior of a circle. Point E हा वर्तुळाच्या बाह्य भागात आहे. A second through E, या पॉइंट मधून एक सेकंड काढला. It is the intersect the circle at point A and B. So secant through E intersect the circles at point A and B. म्हणजे पॉइंट ई मधून वर्तुळाला एक सेकंड काढला आणि तो सेकंड पॉइंट ए आणि बी मध्ये छेदतो. अँड अ टँजंट थ्रू ई, आणि त्याच बिंदूतून ईतून टँजंट काढला. तर टँजंट ई टचेस द सर्कल ऍट पॉइंट टी. तर ई मधून काढलेला टँजंट त्या वर्तुळाला टी बिंदूमध्ये छेदतो, स्पर्श करतो. देन व्हॉट इज रिलेशन्स? EA into EB is equal to ET square. Look here, sir. EA into EB is equal to ET square. म्हणजे पॉइंट ई मधून जो सेकंड जातो तिथून तयार होणारे दोन सेगमेंट्स, पहिला आहे EA आणि दुसरा आहे EB. सो प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दिस इट इज द स्क्वेअर ऑफ टँजंट. म्हणजे त्या दोघांचा गुणाकार त्या स्पर्शिकेच्या वर्ग इतका असतो. So that is our proof parts. So right first here is given, that is the description of these figures. Second, AB touches the circles at point A and B. म्हणजे सेकंड AB हा वर्तुळाला A आणि B मध्ये छेदतो. And a tangent through E. E मधून जो tangent काढला, that is the touches the circle at point T. तो वर्तुळाला T मध्ये स्पर्श करतो. Then what is proof here, sir? EA into EB is equal to ET square. EA into EB is equal to ET square. So for that proof, we make here some construction. What is construction? Draw segment TA. Look here, sir. Draw segment TA. And draw segment TB. Draw segment TB. So this is our construction to prove part this. Now we think about proof. आपण प्रूफचा विचार करतोय. So look here, observe in this figure there are two triangles. One triangle is a triangle EAT. Which is triangle here, sir? EAT. These are triangles. And EBT. That is the second triangles. If these two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. So first we think about how to prove they are similar. So for that you take here one common angles. In a triangle first in first triangles EAT, angle E, that means angles AET. So I write here angle AET. Congruent angles in second triangle here ETB. In this triangle is here TEB. Look here, in both triangles one angle is common. So which is here AET. So right here first AET, congruent angles TEB, these angles. So this is a common angle. Now next here second pair of angles, which is here angle ETA. Which is angles? ETA, these angles is congruent the angles EBT, these angles. So look here, angles ETA, these angles, and angles EBT, these angles, these two angles are here congruent because the angles made by tangent secant theorems. These two angles are congruent because by the theorem of tangent secant theorems. यापूर्वी आपण tangent secant theorem पाहिलेला आहे. त्या theoremच्या आधारे आपण प्रूव्ह करू शकतो काय? Angle ETA congruent angles EBT. These one angles and these one angles are congruent here. Now in these two triangles there are two pair of angles are congruent. So these two triangles are similar. That is we write here triangles EAT similar triangles ETB by AA similarity test. Which is a test? AA similarity test. And if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding side proportion are in proportion. If two triangles are similar, then their side proportion are equal. So we write here ET upon EB. Look here, sir. ET upon EB. This one ratio is equal to EA upon ET. Right here, EA upon ET. So this is the side proportion is equals. Now take cross multiplications. EA into EB. Right here, sir. EA into EB. This is one product term is equal to ET into ET. That is ET square. So as like we prove this theorem here, which known as tangent second segment theorems. So now in this video we see there are three theorems. One is a theorem of internal division of chords and second is a theorem of external division of chords, and now we see some tangent second segment theorems. So by using these three theorems we solve here some examples, then we stop here. But before this you write all this. So we share some one example. Look this. In figure, segment PS is a tangent segment. Line PR is a secant. Line PR is a secant. PQ is equal to 3.6. QR is equal to 6.4. Find PS. तुम्हाला काय दिले डायग्राम मध्ये PS हा टँजंट सेगमेंट दिलाय आणि PR सेकंड दिलाय आणि तुम्हाला PS ची व्हॅल्यू काढायची आहे. सो जस्ट वी शेअर सम थेरम. जस्ट वी शेअर सर टँजंट सेकंड थेरम्स. सो बाय टँजंट सेकंड थेरम्स वी राइट हियर सम बाय टँजंट second by tangent second segment theorem. What I write here, square of tangent, that is a PS square. So right here is a PS square is equal to, here is a PQ. Right here is a PQ into QR. We write here is a PQ. Then look here sir, from this point PR. We write here is a PR. So PS square is equal to PQ into PR. Now solve this. PQ. We know here sir PQ. How much PQ here sir? 3.6. But don't know QR. But there is you know here sir value of QR. So look here, observe this figure. PQ plus QR. PQ plus QR, it become PR. So I write here sir for this PR, PQ plus QR in bracket. So for this PR, we write here sir PQ plus QR. Now we fill the values. So PQ is equal to here sir, how much it is? 3.6 into PQ. Again we write here sir 3.6 plus QR. It is a 6.4. So write here 6.4. Now solve this. 3.6 same as it is into 3.6 plus 6.4, it is a 10. So right here is a 10. And 3.6 into 10, that is a 36. So this is the value of PS square. But we want here the value of PS. So take the square root of this. PS square is equal to 36, therefore PS is equal to 6. So that is the value of PS. So as like we saw this example, we share the next example, but before this you write this. We share the next example. Look, chord MN and chord RS. Chord MN and chord RS. Chord MN, chord RS intersect at point P. म्हणजे दोन जीवा एकमेकांना P बिंदूत इंटरसेक्ट करतात. And if PR is equal to 6, look here sir, PR is equal to 6 here sir. PS is equal to 4. MN is equal to total, that is the 11. And you find out here sir PN. You find out here sir PN. So by observing these figures, you know here sir, we use here sir theorem, which is theorems intersection of chords. So by theorem on intersecting chords, so we apply here sir theorems intersection of chords. So right here sir by theorem of intersection of chords by theorem of intersection of chords. What do you get here, sir? Pm into Pn, right here, sir. Pm into Pn is equal to Pr into Ps. So right here, sir, Pr into Ps. Now put up the values. How much Pm? That is the Pm is here, sir. We don't know how much it is, but we know here, sir, Mn. Mn is 11, and you find out here, sir, Pn. So for getting simplicity, we write here, sir, Pn is equal to x. How many? Pn is equal to x. Therefore Pm is equal to total Mn is equal to 11. म्हणजे टोटल Mn ची लांबी किती 11 आहे आणि त्यातला Pn आपण काय केला कन्सिडर x केला तर Pm किती येणार आहे 11 minus x. So use this value here. So write here, sir, Pm, that is the Pm is equal to 11 minus x. Write in brackets into Pm is equal to x is equal to Pr. How much Pr? That is a 6 into Ps. How much it is? A 4. So solve this now. X into 11, that is 11x. Minus x into minus x, that is a minus x square. Is 6 into 4, that is a 24. Now you write in simple. I write this here, sir. First minus x square, then this plus 11x, and take this 24 on this side, it becomes minus 24 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation, but in first term there is a square term, there is a minus sign, so change the signs. By change the signs all terms we get here minus x square become plus x square, plus 11 become that is a minus 11x, and minus 24 become that is a plus 24 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation and you better know how to solve this quadratic equation. So we solve this. There is the coefficient of x square term is 1 into 24, that is a 24. Product is 24. And coefficient of middle term, that is the x term, is here so minus 11. And we want here so two numbers which have product is 24 and summation is minus 11. So which are the numbers? There are two numbers, 8 into 3. 8 into 3, that is 24. But we want here so summation is a minus 11. So write here minus 8, minus 3. You write here directly as the factors of this quadratic term. So what is this? X minus 8 in first bracket, second bracket, x minus 3 in second bracket is equal to 0. Solve this. Separate this bracket. X minus 8 is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0. So by solving this, what do you get here? So x is equal to minus 8 become here plus 8, or x is equal to minus 3 become here so plus 3. So these are the answer of this questions. Here x means here so Pn. Therefore Pn is equal to 8 or Pn is equal to 3. We get here two values of Pn. We share the next example, but before this you write this example. We share the next example. Look this. In figure, two circles intersect each other in point x and y. So look here. In figure there are two circles and these two circles intersect in point x and y. म्हणजे ही दोन वर्तुळ एकमेकांना पॉइंट x आणि y मध्ये काय करतात इंटरसेक्ट करतात. Tangents drawn from a point M on line xy touch the circle at point P and Q. Tangent drawn from the point M on line xy. म्हणजे इथं जी xy लाईन आहे त्यावरचा जो पॉइंट M आहे त्या पॉइंट M मधून या दोन्ही वर्तुळाला पॉइंट P आणि Q मधून काय केले टँजंट काढलेले. Then what you prove here, sir? You prove here, sir, segment PM congruent segment QM. So prove this. So there is given question in solve for, you only fill the blanks. So what is given here, sir? Look here, sir, line MX is a common. So line MX is here, sir, common. But what is about the circles? That is a second. So right here, sir, common second. Line MX is a common second of the two circles. दोन्ही वर्तुळासाठी line MX ही काय सामायिक छेदिका आहे. Therefore we know here, sir, what is property of this. So we know here, sir, one property of this tangent second segment theorem. So by using this, you get here, sir, PM square is equal to, what is this, sir? Tangent PM square is equal to My into Mx. So right here, sir, PM square is equal to My into Mx. That is the statement number 1. Similarly, you can write for second tangent, that is the M cube. You call this QM. For this QM square is equal to, you write here, sir, My into Mx. So I write here directly QM square is equal to My into Mx. So right here, so My into Mx, that is second statement. Now observe this 1 and 2. From this 1 and 2, there is the right side is equal. From 1 and 2, there is the right side is equal. Look here, say My into Mx, My into Mx. Therefore, left side also equal. So we write here, so PM square is equal to QM square. So right from 1 and 2, QM square is equal to here, so PM square. So these are the square term on both sides. You take here, so square root of this, PM square become PM and QM square become here, so PM. We get here, so PM is equal to QM. So therefore our to prove part, that is segment PM congruent segment QM is equal to, we write segment PM congruent segment QM. Segment PM congruent segment QM. So as like we solve this example. We shall see next example, but before this you write example. Now we shall see next example. In figure, segment PQ is a diameter. So look here, segment PQ is a diameter with center O. तथा center का है O है. R is any point on the circles. Look this. That is the R point. It is any point on the circles. R हा त्या सर्कल वरती कोणताही एक बिंदू आहे. And segment RS perpendicular segment PQ. Segment RS perpendicular segment PQ. Then prove that SR is a geometric mean of PS and SQ. SR is a geometric mean of PS and SQ. Then how to prove this? That means what you prove here, sir? SR square is equal to PS into SQ. So in that there are two methods. One is simple methods. In a semicircles, this angle is right angle triangles. म्हणजे सेमी सर्कलचा विचार केला तर पॉइंट आर मध्ये काढलेला जो अँगल आहे तो कसा असणार आहे, राईट अँगल असणार आहे. अँड दॅट ट्रायंगल बिकम्स राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल्स. अँड फ्रॉम द वर्टेक्स यू ड्रॉ योर्स परपेंडिक्युलर ऑन दिस डायमीटर. सो इट इज ऑब्वियसली जॉमेट्रिक मीन ऑफ दिस पीएस अँड एसक्यू. म्हणजे आपण सोप्या पद्धतीने विचार केला तर पीक्यू हा डायमीटर असल्यामुळं हा जो भाग आहे तो अर्धवर्तुळाचा भाग आहे. आणि अर्धवर्तुळामध्ये एक पॉइंट तुम्ही घेतला ऑन द सर्कल्स, दॅट ट्रायंगल बिकम इज हियर्स अ राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल्स. म्हणजे एक काटकोन त्रिकोण तयार होतो. अँड फ्रॉम द वर्टेक्स यू ड्रॉ योर्स परपेंडिक्युलर ऑन हायपोटेनस. आणि वर्टेक्स पासून तुम्ही काय करताय, कर्णावरती लंब टाकताय. अँड दॅट इज द जॉमेट्रिक मीन ऑफ दिस पीएस अँड एसक्यू. म्हणजे हे सोप्या पद्धतीने आपण प्रूव्ह करू शकतो. But in your textbook there is given some steps and by using these steps you solve this. पण तुमच्या पुस्तकात काही स्टेप दिलेल्या आहेत, त्या स्टेपनुसार तुम्हाला ते प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे, सॉल्व्ह करायचं आहे. सो व्हॉट इज फर्स्ट स्टेप? लुक हियर्स. ड्रॉ रे आरएस. इट इंटरसेक्ट द सर्कल ऍट पॉइंट टी. तुम्हाला काय करायचं आहे, रे आरएस असा करायचा आहे की तो वर्तुळाला टी या बिंदूमध्ये इंटरसेक्ट करेल. म्हणजे हा एक इथं पॉइंट झाला. आणि त्याच्यानंतर काय करायचं आहे, शो दॅट आरएस इज इक्वल टू टीएस. आरएस इज इक्वल टू टीएस. तर तुम्हाला RS आणि TS हे दोन्ही कॉन्ग्रंट दाखवायचे. मग त्याचा विचार आपण पहिल्यांदा करू कसं करता येईल. सो फॉर सॉल्विंग दिस RS कॉन्ग्रंट TS म्हणजे RS आणि TS दोन्ही कॉन्ग्रंट आहेत हे दाखवण्यासाठी काय करतोय मी इथं. लुक हिअर्स. RS that means RT perpendicular PQ. RS means RT, that is a perpendicular to PQ. But it is a perpendicular bisector or not? Is it a perpendicular bisector or not? इथं RT हा PQ ला लंब आहे किंवा PQ हा RT ला लंब आहे. आता आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, PQ हा त्याचा लंबदुभाजक आहे का, म्हणजे PQ मुळे RT चे दोन भाग समान होतात का हे आपल्याला बघायचं आहे. सो फॉर दॅट वी ड्रॉ हिअर one construction. Draw this OR and this here OT. Now think about this. Here's PQ perpendiculars RT, but RO is equal to OT. That is the congruent part. Why? Because these are the radius of the circles. म्हणजे इथं PQ इथं RO कॉन्ग्रंट TO दोन भाग समान आहेत, दोन पार्ट समान आहेत, दोन सेगमेंट समान आहेत का, कारण RO आणि OT दोन्ही काय आहेत, रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल्स. Therefore PQ is a perpendicular bisector of this TR. PQ is a perpendicular bisector of this TR. Therefore S is the equidistance from point T and R. म्हणजे S हा T आणि R पासून समान अंतरावरती आहे, म्हणजेच TS कॉन्ग्रंट SR. म्हणजे या पद्धतीने आपण हे दाखवू शकतो. तुम्ही नववीला असताना हा भाग शिकला आहात. सो राईट फर्स्ट इयर्स हिअर RS perpendicular PQ. RS perpendicular PQ, that is the given part. Therefore RT perpendiculars PQ. RT perpendicular PQ. Now draw ready OR and OT. OR and OT. Here ready OR is equal to OT because it is a ready of same circle. Now look here. OR is equal to OT and RT perpendicular is PQ. Therefore PQ is a perpendicular bisector of TR. Therefore segment PQ is perpendicular bisector of segment which is RT. Therefore RS is equal to ST. Therefore RS is equal to ST by perpendicular bisector theorems. By perpendicular bisector theorem. Now chord PQ and chord RT intersect. Now chord PQ and chord RT intersect in interior part of circle. Interior part of circle. Therefore therefore what we write here, so RS into ST, RS into ST is equal to PS into SQ, PS into SQ. So we write here, so RS into ST is equal to PS into SQ. So we get here, so PS into SQ. Now we want here say SR square. Now look this RS into ST, but you prove here so RS is equal to ST. So we write here so RS into, for this ST you write here so RS is equal to PS into SQ. Now this RS into RS, that is RS square, is equal to PS into SQ. So as like we prove this SR square is equal to PS into SQ, that means SR is a geometric mean of PS and SQ. So as like we solve here examples depending on these theorems. So today we stop here, but what you do, आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण काही theorems त्यावर आधारित examples पाहिलेत. पण तुम्ही काय करायचे, you solve here practice set 3.5 completely. तुम्ही काय करायचं, आतापर्यंतच्या व्हिडिओचा वापर करून एक्झरसाइज प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.5 सोडवायचा आहे आणि त्याचबरोबर प्रॉब्लेम सेट 3 सुद्धा सोडवायचा आहे. So we complete this topic here. We meet again in next video by taking new chapters. But don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video.